you recording?
Yeah.
Come on, baby. You can do it. Come on.
A little slower so he could catch up to it.
Woo. Oh, crap. He got it.
Here, okay, let me do it now. And you record, because I'm better at it. Wait, come on, Brownie, you're messing up. Okay, get started.
Don't knock into me, little boy.
Look at him go. Look at him go.
I know he goes fast. I taught him that. Come on, Brownie.
You can almost get it.
Come on, Brownie. You can beat it. Come on. Faster, Brownie, faster. Come on.
Oh, he's tired. Let him take a break.
He doesn't want to take a break.
Because it is That's where it lies until we're ready to go again. Let's
Yeah,
watch it. He is tired.